Hi, do you know that the efficiency of your solar power plant depends upon the shadow analysis of your rooftop? Hello everyone and Jai Hind. Have you ever been told that you cannot use the complete area of your rooftop because of the shadows? Let me tell you why. Shadows on the rooftop are an important consideration for the design of a solar power plant. A rooftop may have different kind of structures like a staircase mounting or a water tank which casts shadow on the roof. The adjoining buildings can also cast shadow on the roof. If the solar panels are placed under shadow, the performance of the entire solar PV plant goes down. Solar panels are mostly arranged in strings to meet the voltage requirements. A shade on one panel not only reduces the efficiency of that panel but also cuts short the supply from the entire string. Eventually, the panel gets damaged due to heating. Therefore, a proper shadow analysis with the specialized software is very important to design a solar power plant. To know more, please connect to us and we will be happy to answer all your queries. Please like and share the video.